So here I have two babies that have actually come out of the nest. She's actually stopped feeding them. But here we have baby number one. Isn't he just an angel? He's already opened his eyes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh the babies. And this is baby number two. And these babies belong to Daisy, who is a yellow-sided conure, and Riley, who is a pineapple conure. Now they did lay 6 eggs, and unfortunately 3 of them were infertile. 1 of them didn't hatch, but these 2 beauties we have, which is absolutely wonderful. So I'm going to weigh these 2 little beauties now. Let's see what they weigh. So let's have a look, guys, what you weigh. Yeah. We have the first one, who is heavier and larger for the simple reason that he was first to hatch. And down he goes, and he's very agile, and he's just 50 grams. Oh, 50 to 51 grams. And he's approximately 14 days old. Isn't he beautiful? And then we have baby two, who's going to be a lot lighter because he is tiny, isn't he? Look at those beautiful wings. Beautiful little pink dinosaurs. Oh, and he's pooped on my finger. Thank you, Babs. And this little tiny guy is 35 grams. But he's very agile. Isn't he beautiful? Now the babies are going to have their first feed today. Let's get rid of that poop. They're in a little tub. They're in a stainless steel tub which stays nice and warm in the brooder. And they have some wood chippings in the bottom because that's what they're used to in their nest box. And that's on tissue. And here we go. Aren't they just absolutely adorable? And this is number 7 and number 8. Daisy and Riley's 2 babies, the only 2 that hatched from 6 eggs. So that makes them very special. Aren't they just beautiful? I'm so in love with these guys because I've had a lot of problems this year with infertile eggs. And the only thing that's different is nothing really. Everything's the same. They get the same food, they get the same treatment, the adults, and I have no idea why a lot of the eggs have been infertile. The only thing I can put it down to is something to do with COVID, but maybe I'm clutching at straws, I don't know. I just know I've had infertile eggs which I've never had before. So that makes these 2 special. And today Daisy and Riley have been getting some special treatment to get them used to being without the babies, because this one's been getting fed and this little one hasn't been getting fed, so they're gonna be hand fed by me and I'll enjoy every moment of it. In you go. I'm going to go inside for a sleep now, and then we'll give you a little feed in a little while. There we go. Adorable, beautiful babies by Bird Love Parrots. Thank you. Thanks for watching.